In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain you already own to your Wix website. Whether you purchased your domain from Wix or another provider, I'll guide you through each step of the process to seamlessly link your domain and get your site up and running. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently navigating Wix's domain settings like a pro. Firstly, you'll want to start by logging into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all the websites you've created on Wix. Now select the website that you want to connect a domain to. Identify the site you're working with through your list of created sites, making sure that you're about to connect the domain to the correct one. With your desired website selected, the next step is to venture into the domain settings. Take a look at the left-hand menu, a critical navigation tool for managing your site's features. Here you will want to click on Settings. This section is going to be your go-to place for various site configurations. Scroll through the options until you find Domains under the Website Settings section and select it. In the Domain section, you'll encounter a couple of different options depending on how and where you purchased your domain. If the domain you wish to connect was purchased directly from Wix, the pathway is relatively simple. Just assign it directly to your website. However, if your domain is from an external provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains,